places that you know seem like fantasy. There's a light inside your soul that's still shining in the cold, with the truth, the promise in our hearts. Don't forget, I'm with you in the dark.
The Fat Controller normally doesn't allow bigger engines on the branch lines. If you were on Soda a week ago, you'd see why. One day, Gordon was complaining to Edward as he always does. Boko shouldn't be on branch lines. It's disgraceful. Edward got annoyed by this. Why don't you pull Boko's cars? I would never do that, said Gordon, and he puffed away. Edward soon followed after. That night, Gordon and Edward were getting ready for their train, but as always, something went wrong. As they were getting ready, Gordon's driver mistook a woman in a green floppy hat saying goodbye to a friend as the guard's flag. Right away, mate, he said. Gordon thought he was ready to leave, but as Gordon left, he left the luggage, the guard, and all the passengers behind. By the time Gordon got back to the station, Edward was already late. But he didn't mind, for he knew it was an accident. You've put us in a predicament, Gordon, said the Fat Controller. Edward will have to go before you now. You may go, Edward. And Edward soon set off. But due to a mix-up, Gordon ended up on the branch line, and Edward on the main line. The next morning, Bill and Ben saw Gordon in the sidings. They wanted to play a trick on him.
Look at this old blue scrap iron,
said Bill.
It's no use at all. What do you think we should do with it, Ben?
Said Bill.
I know. Let's take her to the harbor and dump it in the sea. We could get a lot of money out this junk.
No, said Gordon in shock. Boko soon came to save him. You two knock it off. And Bill and Ben left cheekily. I'm sorry about that, Gordon, said Boko. That's all right, said Gordon. Thank you for saving me. My pleasure, said Boko. I guess diesels aren't so bad after all. Wait, what's that supposed to mean?